Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. This is a Walmart grocery haul. Haven't done one of these in a little while, I feel like. And I may or may not be combining this with another haul. I am doing this haul midweek. It's just kind of a crazy week. So again, I don't know yet at this point. Today is only Tuesday when I'm filming this, if I'm going to combine this with another haul after. So again, may or may not be another haul after this. But went to Walmart. I had a random list that I had been compiling of specific things I needed. This is from Friendly's, as you can probably tell, which is, I don't know if that's everywhere in the country, but it's just like a Northeast, like family restaurant. Anyways, my mother-in-law's birthday is this coming weekend, the weekend of the 28th, 29th, and she really likes ice cream cake, so I got this little Friendly's ice cream cake for her birthday. I happened to get it on my way home from Walmart, so I wanted just to include that. But anyways, let me show you everything from Walmart. So everything from Walmart was $120. I'm going to start in this corner. Had to get a lot of snacky things, so I got some Dorito individual bags. I got some 25% less sugar chocolate chip granola bars, which is what Grady likes. I grabbed some fruit snacks in the 20-pack value pack. I got 2 boxes of the Innovation sticky white rice. My girl Kira over at 50 Shades of Mom got me onto this a few months ago, and we love it. So I grabbed 2. They freeze. You just throw them in the freezer, and they're perfect to heat up in a quick pinch as a side dish. I got some ricotta cheese for stuffed shells this week. I got some light coconut milk for a new recipe that I found on Pinterest, which looks really good. So I grabbed this to make a dish on for that dish on Pinterest. I got a raspberry lemonade for my husband to throw in his lunch one day. Combos are one of my all-time favorite snacks of life, so I grabbed the big party bag of the just cheddar cheese pretzel combos. Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up at my son's school. I think it's the week of the 6th or 7th. Anyways, they had asked me if I could send in a big bag of assorted chocolates as well as mints, which are right here. But I grabbed the party size assortment of Reese's, Hershey Kisses, and Hershey, like the miniature bars. So hopefully this will be enough. This is a 2-point-something pound bag. It's a big bag. But anyways, I grabbed those for Teacher Appreciation. They're having like a big event at the school, and that is what I was asked to bring. I was also asked to bring mints in, so I got the soft peppermint, chewy, I don't know, mint things to go along with the chocolate. For the stuffed shells too, I got some grated Parmesan, some grated mozzarella, along with the ricotta, obviously. We randomly needed a few more of these pant hangers, so I just grabbed 2 packs of the pant hangers. I got some Pringles snack packs. I got 2 boxes of the jumbo shells. Again, making stuffed shells. My mother-in-law's birthday is this weekend, and we are having my in-laws and my parents over for dinner, so I got 2 boxes of jumbo shells because I have to make a whole bunch of them. I got some Sparkle brand paper towels, some tomato sauce, and then some peeled whole tomatoes because that's how I make my marinara sauce, and I just used the 2 I had, so I needed to replenish and restock the pantry. Got some Chips Deluxe cookies, some sausage for the stuffed shells because I'm going to do 1 batch with sausage and spinach and 1 batch traditional with just cheese and sauce. I got some Duke's smoked sausages, some Daisy sour cream, some ginger stir-in paste for a recipe, the jalapeno for a recipe, some bananas, got a couple limes for that recipe that I've been mentioning from Pinterest, and then the recipe also calls for curry powder and ground turmeric, so I got each of those. I got a bag of the chicken breast because I need that for the Pinterest recipe as well. It's like a Thai recipe. I got some onions, a big bag of onions for cooking, a Nantucket nectar in the orange mango for Matt's lunch. Great price on these at Walmart. They're like 96 cents. I also grabbed him a Snapple straight up tea at Walmart. I like to get my husband random little drinks like this when I can get them for like $1 or so, just to try something new, just as a little treat. And then if we end up liking them, I can get a larger quantity. I got a 5-pack of the P3 protein packs, which are turkey, cheddar, or sorry, Colby Jack and almonds. He loves these. He takes them for lunch all the time, and when I forget to get them, he asks me to get them, so he really likes them. I got Grady some Apple and Eve brand organic grape juice to pack. He takes a snack to school. So days when he takes a lunch also, which is pretty rare, I'll just throw one of these in his little lunch bag for snack. I got a thing of spring mix for salad, some Gatorade Flow, which we love, in the kiwi strawberry flavor. I love this stuff. I got a box of ziti, some Arnold Palmer half and half, and then these little mini Great Value cream sodas. These are great for when you don't want a whole soda, because they're tiny. So I grabbed those as well. They're like $1.30 or $1.40 for the 6-pack. But anyways, guys, this is everything I got at Walmart, and stay tuned for either another grocery haul and the meal plan as well. Hey guys, it's a few days later. I wanted to combine this smaller haul with the other haul because it is part of our food for the week. So this is from Walmart. It was about $55. I got some cheddar bunnies for Grady, some Lipton green tea citrus for me or Matt or whoever comes over. I was really happy to find this blackberry ginger ale in a 12-pack because Matt absolutely loves this, so I grabbed this. I got some Freihofer's brand French toast bread. It's really soft because obviously we do breakfast for dinner once a week and also breakfast on the weekend, so I grabbed this. I got these 3 cheese garlic breadsticks for the weekend for when my family and Matt's parents come over to make with the stuffed shells. My mom told me to try these yogurt smoothies with protein for Grady. So I'm trying a bunch of different smoothies right now. He seems to like the Stonyfield the best, but I'm just going to try these. Grady loves these, so I get them every once in a while as a treat, and I found the best price to be at Walmart. They're like $2.50 for these fruit punch flavored like squeeze top bottles. These are great when we do something out of the house on the go. I've been obsessed with chai tea latte on and off for the past couple years, and I find myself going to Starbucks way too much, which is fine, but I did want to make them at home. So a couple people had recommended this. I don't know if anybody else has any insight on it, but let me know. It's the Oregon Chai brand organic chai tea latte to make at home. So apparently you just pour this over ice along with some milk or whatever dairy or even non-dairy like almond milk or whatever. So I'm going to try this at home for when I'm just home hanging out and I want a chai tea latte, but I don't want to go out and get one. I got some flour tortillas. I'm going to be making a couple meals next week for people. One is a friend who just had a baby, and one is my friend's mom who is going through chemo. So one of the meals I'm going to make next week are my enchiladas for my girlfriend who just had a baby. So I got the tortillas, I got the enchilada sauce. I've talked about this before, guys. This is the sauce I use, and I use the recipe that's right on the can. It's tried and true. It works perfectly. It's super easy. So if you want to make enchiladas at home, I highly recommend getting this jar and using the recipe on the side. It could not be easier. So anyways, I got this to go with this to make enchiladas for my friend next week. I got some honey because I used up most of the honey that I have and I needed to replenish that. My mom recommended this for like soaking pots or your crock pot or a sauce pot. She said it works really well for soaking. It's a foam consistency and it's the Dawn Platinum. I have never tried it, so I'll let you guys know how that is. This is the Lip Smacker Eucalyptus Mint Medicated Lip Balm. I'm always looking for different lip things. I don't do a whole lot of lipstick and even really a whole lot of lip gloss anymore. So I'm always looking for things like this, whether it's chapstick or EOS balls. So I'm going to try that out. I got a card for Grady's main teacher for Teacher Appreciation Week next week, or I think it's the week after. It's May 7th. So I got that for her. I got some of these cowtails. I love these. I'm a sucker for these, so I grabbed them at the checkout. Got a bunch of these cat foods for my cat. These are the senior ones. I never realized they had them until lately. They don't sell them in like a 10 or a 12 pack, so I just grabbed a bunch because my cat's getting up there in age, so anything with senior I like to grab. So again, just a bunch of those. Some cat treats in the shrimp flavor. And then lastly, I got some 3-pack of takeout containers, again, for the meals I'm gonna make next week. So I'm gonna use this for my friend's mom who just had chemo to put in sloppy joes with rolls. So sloppy joes will go in one, rolls will go in one, and then a salad will go in the other. So that'll be perfect for her. And then I won't have to worry about using my own, you know, Tupperware. But anyways, guys, this is the other haul. I'm gonna share now my meal plan for the week. All right, guys, so my meal plan for the week of April 29th through May 5th. So, like I mentioned, in-laws and parents are coming Sunday for my mother-in-law's birthday. So I'm going to do 2 trays of stuffed shells, one with cheese and sauce, one with sausage, spinach, salad, and Italian bread. Pretty sure I have a video on the sausage one, so I'll link that video below. I'm going to try a new Pinterest recipe, like I mentioned, which is called coconut basil chicken in the crock pot. Pinterest is such a good way to get really good dinner and meal ideas. So I get a lot of meal planning inspiration from my Pinterest. If you want to check out my boards on Pinterest, I am just under GradysMom. And I have a lot of recipe ideas. I think there are over 2,000 recipe ideas in this board. And this is that one recipe that I'm going to be trying out, the slow cooker coconut basil chicken. So yeah, if you guys want to get some of these ideas, definitely check out my Pinterest to see if there's any recipes that you want to pin and try out yourself, because I have a ton of them, guys. And also my mom's coming over that night for dinner. One night I'm going to do my cream of broccoli soup. I have a whole video on that. That's going to be my no meat night. So we'll do cream of broccoli soup. I might make a double batch and freeze half, and then I'm going to make the Red Lobster biscuits on the side, which come in that box mix. They taste so good. I'm going to do shepherd's pie one night. I have a video on this. I'll link it below. And then I'll do a salad or a glazed carrots or some kind of roasted veggie on the side. Probably a salad, though, because there's a lot of veggies in the shepherd's pie. I'm going to do my white turkey goulash over pasta one night. I'll link this video below as well. And I'll do salad and bread with that. I'm going to do some Philly cheesesteaks. A couple friends are coming over, probably Friday night. So I'm going to make Philly cheesesteaks, and then I'll do some fries in the oven. I'll probably do like 2 big sheet trays because we're going to have some friends here. And then, of course, I have my normal night allotted for breakfast or leftovers. So here is the meal plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.